Hello there, I'm meteorologist Tony Barlow checking in from the Storm Center about 7 o'clock on Sunday night. Sitting here hanging out in the Storm Center while we have a tornado watch posted across central parts of South Dakota. So we're going to be here while this tornado watch is going on and keeping an eye on some of the storms. We have seen some activity try to get going, but as of yet, nothing really too organized. So, of course, we'll watch it very closely. And it looks like the threat as we get after dark will probably transition to more of a hail threat than a tornado threat. So that's a little bit better. Of course, we don't like the big hail either. Let's talk about what we're going to be looking at for the week ahead. We are going to be watching for some showers and some thunderstorms, and it looks like Monday, another potential severe weather day here. Now, again, similar to today, it's what we'd call a conditional risk, and what that means is there's still some conditions that kind of need to come together to produce this risk. General pattern, let's zoom out. I want to give you a better idea of what the whole nation's pattern is here. So we have a trough, follow my mouse pointer, a trough in the west. And then we have a ridge across the central part of the United States. You can see that ridge there. And then we have another little trough in the east. And along this ridge, notice low pressure, low pressure, low pressure. We're going to be seeing a constant kind of feed of these areas of low pressure spinning around one area of low pressure down to the south. So little waves in the atmosphere cruising on through, and it's on those little waves that we may see some of those stronger showers and thunderstorms develop. Now, that's really one of the things we've been lacking for our Sunday, is a real good trigger to fire those storms up. We've gotten a few going, but nothing that's really busted the cap just yet. Now, we may see a little bit different story for Monday. So, first of all, some showers and storms possible for our Sunday night. Some of those could produce some hail, some strong winds, some heavy rain, possibly a threat as well with all this activity early this week. As we get into Monday, I'm going through about 7 a.m. here. This is about 1 p.m. You see, pretty quiet. There may be some clouds around and maybe some scattered activity. Late day, though, this is 7 o'clock, and you can see we get another kind of robust area of showers and thunderstorms to fire out here, and some of these may be strong to severe, so that's an area we're going to watch closely. As we get then into Tuesday, it does look like the severe weather parameters, for the most part, shift a little bit farther north. We still will likely have some showers and thunderstorms around and potentially some heavy pockets of rain, but the severe weather threat looks to be minimized a little bit on Tuesday. Wednesday, maybe a quieter day, maybe a break, still some scattered storms around, and then this model wants to bring a whole nother batch of showers in here for Thursday, so we'll watch that closely as well. Let's turn our attention to the Storm Prediction Center. This is for tomorrow. You can see that risk area as I pinpointed in the weather model, about a 30% chance of possibly some stronger storms. This area is going to be modified, so of course we'll monitor that as we go through the day tomorrow and keep a close eye on it. So just tune in tomorrow to KELOLAND.com, our Twitter account, Storm Center, KELOLAND Storm Center, and then of course, Facebook will be updating that, and the morning show and midday show, we should have more details on what we're looking at for the weather. So that's kind of the general pattern for this week. After about that Wednesday, Thursday time frame, Friday next weekend look cooler, but actually they look fairly nice at this point. Of course, the way this spring is gone, that's still up in the air, I'd say. But finally, some warmer temperatures. Mother's Day, not too bad. Happy Mother's Day. Forgot to say that. Mother's Day, not too bad. We did have some sun, some warmer temperatures. Now, of course, the trade-off is some of those stronger storms as well. So we'll always be here in the Storm Center, keeping a close eye on things. So stay tuned to KELOLAND.com and KELOLAND TV for the latest. Thanks for tuning in to this video blog.